Just gave them a little bit of greenery to eat. Seem to be happy with that. Hi, ladies. How you doing? Okay. It's nice to know. Hmm. Oh yeah, that's you. What do you got to say? All right. My ladies have been laying 4 eggs a day, reliably, even though it's wintertime and the days are short. They've been making me happy. The only thing that upsets me is a little bit is they've all taken to the butt pecking syndrome. Every one of them's got a bare butt, and I just don't understand what to do. Look at that one there. That's the first one that got it. I think she's the instigator of all of them. Now, like all chickens do, I guess they imitate the behavior, so there's another one there. I tried the pine tar, and that is kind of counterproductive. It's a sledgehammer effect, I believe. It really stinks bad, gets all over the place, gets on the eggs, makes the chicken feel really bad. I've tried the Peck No More from Tractor Supply. Not having much luck with that. That lasts about 20 minutes and then they're back at it again. I tried giving them things to do. You can see what's left of the cabbage that was there for them to peck at. Water. I've been supplementing their water with apple cider vinegar, as someone had recommended that because they might have a salt deficiency. They're pecking because they are trying to get the salt from the preening gland right near the vent in the back. I don't know about that at this point. I think it's just a behavioral thing. I can tell when it happens because I can hear them call out or whatever they do. It's a noise that says, "Leave me alone," kind of. At this point, they're laying, and there hasn't been any major injury, just a bunch of feather pecking. A couple times blood was drawn, but that lasted for a day and went away. So I don't know what to do at this point. They have plenty of food, high protein food. In the morning, I give them boiled egg yolks. So I'm on a yolk-free diet. I eat the whites and the yolks I give to them. I give them, I call it my bug diet at the same time. It's a central tractor larvae mix. So they get that in the morning. Usually in the afternoon, I give them a super high protein layer mix crumble. I throw it on the ground here and they root around for it for a while. And eventually it'll go to up to the roost. They seem to be happy, except when they get the occasional butt pecking. And like I said, the egg production is beyond what I expected. I didn't think that it was going to happen in the wintertime. But here they are. They're about 8 months old now. Pretty good chickens. There's only one that sings the egg song, the Rhode Island Red in the back, and it really may not correlate to when she lays an egg, but when an egg is laid by one of the others, she'll come out usually 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon and start to sing the egg song. The rest of them don't do it. So they're chickens. Ah, there's a peck. I saw it. I caught you. Stop doing that. You're a bad chicken. Ah! Oh well. I don't know what what to do. So here we go. Good night, all.